Imagine you don't have to go to work tomorrow. Imagine jumping on your computer right now and booking your next vacation for next week. And you're probably saying to yourself right now, what is she talking about? I have to go to work. I cannot book my next vacation. You're probably thinking, oh yes, she's trying to sell me something. I'm not trying to sell you something to make money. I'm trying to change your life, like someone changed my life. And I invested in the digital program, a business. It's an automated business that it's done for you. So you can work 2 hours a day on this business and you don't have to work paycheck to paycheck. So you can book your next vacation next week. So you don't have to go to work tomorrow and clock in and clock out and miss all these events of your kids or family. Inside of our Legacy Builders program, we're showing you step by step how to make it happen. Now check this out. If you're trying to get rich quick, this program it's not for you. If you're not a coachable person, this program it's not for you. If you're trying to blame other people and not take responsibility, this program it's not for you. The program is for those who want financial freedom, those who want to get their time back, those who want to create more memories with their family, those who want to create legacy for their family. This is the right program for you because you start investing in yourself today. You can fire your boss and you start creating legacy for yourself and for your family because you cannot get your time back. And I know you're probably thinking to yourself every single day, I'm looking for this opportunity to get out of this 9-to-5 job. I'm looking for something to happen. And here, I'm giving it to you, this opportunity. Let me ask you this. Do you want to get your time back? Are you overwhelmed with your work? Are you tired of working paycheck to paycheck? If you are tired and you are looking your way out, I have the solution for you and I'm here to help you. So if you're ready to change your life and start living the life that you always want and desire, type I am ready in the comments and I'm going to share with you the information and this amazing opportunity that are about to change your life.